Hi there, folks. This is Sean Brodrick, and I'm here at the Metals Investor Forum in Vancouver, September 15th. Fascinating show, a lot of fun. And right now I'm speaking to Ken Berry. He's the CEO of Northern Vertex. Northern Vertex is going to be North America's next gold and silver producer. They start in the fourth quarter. And he told us a great bunch of information about what he and his company will be doing. So Ken, could you please speak to the viewers and just give them an update on what you and Northern Vertex are doing with your Moss Mine in Arizona?
Well, first, Sean, thanks for having me on.
Sure.
Northern Vertex is a mining company that is focused on the Moss Mine, which is an hour and a half south of Las Vegas. After 6 years and more than $98 million raised, we're within months of pouring our first bar of gold. So it's exciting times. We have de-risked this project on a financial basis by having Greenstone Resources, Sprott Lending, and CAT Financing involved in the project. On a technical basis, we've undertaken a test mining facility that produced over 4,000 ounces of gold, 20,000 ounces of silver, and really de-risked the project, established the mining parameters. So we're very excited about this project.
Yeah, I think it's just so good that it's fully financed to production, that you didn't let the share structure move out of control. You kept things very tightly controlled, that the internal rate of return after tax is going to be 48%, and you're making other improvements to the mine plan as well. Could you speak to those a little bit?
Well, in terms of rate of return, we've got a 48% after-tax return, which is very strong. We're not going to stop at that. We're looking to optimize our mine parameters by bringing on clean power to site, which will replace our generators that we have spec'd in the feasibility study. That'll bump our IRR by 4 to 5%. It'll save us $15 million worth of diesel emissions over a 5-year period. So all stakeholders agree that this is a good plan, and we're looking to permit that over the next 6 to 9 months.
Great. So what's your all-in sustaining cost of production, and what kind of cash flow will we be looking at once the mine's in full production?
Our all-in sustaining costs are $662 per ounce. So we're in the lower quartile of mining companies.
You are, yeah.
We'll be looking to pour approximately $1 million a week of gold, silver, doré. We're looking at net profits somewhere north of 20 million. So this project isn't a large-scale mining project, but it stands to be very profitable.
And you have lots of exploration upside as well, too. So let's speak about that a little bit.
Well, we've only looked at 5% of this property on an exploration basis. So that's something that once we're in production, we'll look to implement an exploration program that steps up exploration over the first 3 years of production. That way, should we be successful at finding new discoveries, we can bring them online and scale up our production.
Okay, so there's so much about this mine, and it's not really well known, at least in North America. I mean, you do have a lot of funding from Europe and stuff like that. And as more people know about it, I just think this will really be going higher. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Well, as you said, it's relatively unknown. Northern Vertex trades on the TSX Venture Exchange. It also trades on the OTC board down in the States. So this is a company that will look to increase the exposure over the coming years, and primarily will be operating in the States. So I think it's just a proud moment for our investors and stakeholders in the region to be bringing on the next producing gold mine in the U.S.
Okay, people don't know how much work goes into this, but you guys have really accomplished a lot, a great job, and it's all coming together, so good job on you. Thanks for tuning in, folks. We'll have more for you from the Metals Investor Forum in Vancouver.